up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair a magenta color, I guess you could call it. I'm going to be using Live Laugh Love by The Good Die Young, and it's kind of like a borderline pink, purple, magenta. I feel like it looks more pink on camera, but it is a couple shades darker in real life. But I think this will go for my current hair just fine. It might be a little more on the red side, but that's okay. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So the plan for today started out with doing blue over the red, but the more I thought about it, the less confident I felt about that decision. There's a lot of like orangey spots in my hair right now because the red has faded a lot, and with blue over orange or like dingy yellow, there's a big chance of it going green or just straight up muddy. Definitely don't want that. So then I thought maybe try to fade it some more with some color remover and put green over it. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and that's still a possibility for St. Patrick's Day. Maybe not, like, don't get your hopes up because that might not happen. But here's the color swatched. Still brighter on camera than it is in real life. Just imagine this, but like a couple shades darker. Anyway, so then I was thinking, what colors haven't I used that I have on hand? And as I was looking, I came across this, and I remember buying this and being really excited to try it. I really like these shades of pinky purple borderline colors on my hair. I always feel like they look the best on me, and they always fade really nice too. I love the pink they fade too. So yeah, that's why I ended up deciding on this one. A lot of my roots are showing, and that is on purpose. I'm growing my hair out. I want to see my natural color for the first time in a while. Tomorrow is our 10-year anniversary. We'll have been married 10 years, but we're kind of celebrating today. I have the day off of work. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so both of us will be working, and yeah. So we're gonna go out to eat today. I'm not sure if we're doing lunch or dinner, but we're going to Outback Steakhouse, and it's always a good time. Can't have hair dye stains on my anniversary. Not today. So I'm getting pretty close to 2,000 subscribers. I'm like about 60 subscribers away, I think, as of right now, or about 60, more or less. And that's pretty exciting. It took a year and a half to get to the first 1,000. I think it's been about 7 months since I hit that milestone. So it's definitely picked up the pace a bit, which is awesome. I think I'm going to do another giveaway at 3,000 subscribers, and I have already started collecting for that. So far, it's just stuff that I accidentally bought extras of. So it's a little bit of a mishmash, but maybe y'all can help me out with like a theme for the next one. I imagine it's going to be probably another 6 months or so before we get there. We'll see. But yeah. Definitely going to do another giveaway. Although next time I think I'm going to keep it more just to the US or like maybe Canada. I made that mistake last time. It didn't even occur to me when I was doing it to make it just like for the US. But the winner ended up being from Canada, and luckily that wasn't really an issue. The shipping was like a little more than I would have liked to pay, but I definitely like thought it was going to be more. So I could definitely do another like Canada, maybe Mexico. Closer to Mexico than Canada. But as far as like internationally overseas, unfortunately, I seriously doubt I can swing that. Just to be honest and upfront about that with you guys. I'm gonna have to squeeze some more out. This stuff is really thick, so it doesn't go as far as the thinner formula dyes. That's been one nice thing about having the shorter hair, though, is that I use a lot less product and it takes a lot less time. But frankly, I am feeling ready to grow it out, although I have really enjoyed this hairstyle. But I also like really miss being able to play with my hair more. I feel like there's really only like 2 or 3 things I can do with my hair to make it like fun. And I'm not really good at most of them. Most of the time it's just the plain pixie style, which luckily for me has been like pretty easy to do. Like I know a lot of people have to use like a ton of product and spend a lot of time doing their hair when they have it as short as I do. But I have not really found that to be the case for me, at least. Sorry about the sliding. The sun's in a weird position right now. Should have known better. Oh well. It's making this look really, really pink. Definitely curious to see what it's going to look like when I rinse it out. Yeah, I definitely need some more product. Anyway, how was your Valentine's? We didn't really do anything. Not sure if I mentioned it in the video where I did the Valentine's hair. I probably did, but yeah, we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day. Between our anniversary being on the 21st and my husband's birthday being on the 27th, it's just a lot to celebrate in such close quarters, and my husband's kind of hard to buy for. He did preemptively buy his own birthday gifts, so luckily I don't have to think about that. But I did buy him something nice for anniversary, which he'll be getting later today. And I already got my anniversary gifts. I was feeling kind of down yesterday, and I think my husband could tell. So he just insisted on giving me my gifts early. I'll show you those later on after I show the results, I guess. But they're cute. I know nobody knows where it comes and where it goes. Sing with me, sing for the years, sing for the laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me if it's just for today. And tomorrow, God, don't take me away. I apologize for that. Nobody asked for that. So I'm supposed to start another job Thursday, which is, today's Monday. So, the problem is I have not heard from the owner since they hired me, which was almost 2 weeks ago. And she said she was going to text me asking for like my social and driver's license, just the basic stuff they need to like put me in the system as a new hire. And so I'm like a little bit concerned. And like if they don't hire me, like that's fine. It's just a second job. I don't really like need it. I was just wanting to make a little more money. I've been looking for a better job, but so far no luck. Oh my gosh. Look at the back of my neck. What the heck? How did that happen? I didn't do that. That is so much dye. I gotta get that off. That's a lot. Oh man, this lighting is awful. I really need to get a curtain for this stupid little window right here. I'll show you what it is. It's so weird. First, let me make sure this is all in my hair real good. This is what that is. And at a certain time of morning, the sun just beams through there. Oh, it's looking a little better now. I think it's got some cloud cover. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for a bit. Then I'm gonna wash it out and come back to show you the results. And hopefully I will get all this extra dye off my neck and face because yikes. All right, here it is, and it came out way more red than I expected and a lot less purple. One thing to note, this color did stain my bathtub like really bad, and it's been a long time since I've had that problem with a hair dye. It stained my body real bad, like as it ran down, you know, holding the shower head up here. As it ran down, I could tell my whole back and butt turned pink. In fact, I still have pink streaks on my legs. So yeah, my hand's a little bit pink right now. I did kind of scrub it a little more so that I'm not walking around with a pink hand, but it's a little bit tinted. Also, my forehead a little bit, but not too bad, and my hair covers most of it. It's like a raspberry red. I'm sure the red that I put it on top of, the faded red, had some influence on that, like for sure. Makes me wonder what it would have looked like if I put it on more of a blank slate, but it is what it is. I'm not mad about it. It's kind of funny that it just kind of went back to red, but like a very berry red. But yeah, it's cool. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you real quick what my husband got me for our anniversary. Okay, so first he got this, which I have sitting on my little shelf here in the office, and it says my heart, and it's he and I with my current short red hair. So that's cute. And then he also got me a coffee mug with the same imagery. It's a little bit wet because I just took it out of the dishwasher. And then on the back it says my soulmate. Super cute. I used this morning actually. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.